Hi, Gizmoguy here. Many of you have asked the question whether this transmitter will work in the city with a lot of with a crowded radio wave. Well, today we are here inside the San Francisco, outside of Twitter, and I'm going to show you how well this transmitter will perform in a city-like setting such as this. So first, we turn on the radio, set it to 87.9. You can hear that the 87.9 is preoccupied with Spanish channel. So now I'm going to turn on my transmitter. Notice that the sound went away. Now all you have to do is plug this into your iPhone. Pick the music that you want to hear and play. You can hear that the music is coming out loud and clear without any sort of a distortion or static noise. So you get this device at iPhonefmtransmitter.com, iPhonefmtransmitter.com. Thank you for watching.